Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for a psychology exam. First, understand your exam structure and content areas. Next, create a realistic study schedule, dedicating at least 2 hours daily for focused learning. Employ active recall and spaced repetition, reviewing material every 2 to 3 days. Finally, practice with past papers to become familiar with question styles and time constraints, aiming for at least 3 full practice tests. To master your psychology material, break down complex topics into smaller, digestible sections. Create flashcards for key terms and theories, quizzing yourself daily for 15 minutes. Try explaining concepts aloud to a friend or even to yourself. This active teaching solidifies understanding. Always connect new information to what you already know, building a robust mental framework for better recall during the exam. Consistent practice is crucial for success. Complete numerous practice questions and at least 3 full-length mock exams under timed conditions. Thoroughly review all incorrect answers, understanding why they were wrong to prevent future errors. Consider forming a study group with 3 or 4 peers to discuss challenging concepts and share insights. Remember, 8 hours of sleep and a balanced diet are vital for peak cognitive function. On exam day, arrive at least 15 minutes early with all required materials, like 2 sharpened pencils and an eraser. Read all instructions carefully, ensuring you understand every part of each question. Allocate your time wisely, perhaps 1 minute per multiple choice question and 10 minutes for an essay. Stay calm and confident. Take a few deep breaths if you feel overwhelmed. Trust your preparation and do your best.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.